Nestled deep in the Pacific between Hawaii and Mexico, there's a stretch of ocean floor called the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, or CCZ for short. Now imagine a place so vast it covers an area bigger than the entire European Union, and so deep that sunlight never touches its bottom. Down there, scattered across the abyss, are potato-sized rocks called polymetallic nodules. To mining companies, these nodules are like buried treasure, packed with metals like nickel, cobalt, and manganese. These are the building blocks of batteries for electric cars and renewable energy. Some even call them batteries in a rock. But recently, scientists discovered something that could change everything we thought we knew about the deep sea, and maybe even about life itself. A new study found that these unassuming rocks are actually producing oxygen, 4,000 meters below the surface in complete darkness. That's right, dark oxygen. No sunlight, no plants, just rocks splitting seawater and releasing oxygen into the abyss. So how does this work? For years, researchers thought their instruments were broken when they detected oxygen spikes on the seafloor. But after ruling out every other explanation, they realized the nodules themselves were acting like natural batteries. As minerals build up on their surfaces, tiny electric charges split water molecules, releasing oxygen. Even after killing off all the microbes in the lab, the effect continued. Nature, it turns out, is running its own electrolysis experiment at the bottom of the ocean. This isn't just a cool science fact, it's a game changer. If oxygen can be made in total darkness, maybe life didn't need sunlight to get started. Maybe it could start anywhere, like on Europa or Enceladus, the icy moons of our solar system, Europa, Enceladus. But here's the catch. As mining companies race to harvest these nodules for green tech, scientists are warning we might be messing with processes we barely understand. 25 countries are calling for a pause on deep-sea mining until we know more. So, as the world debates whether to exploit or protect the deep sea, one thing is clear. Sometimes the most important discoveries are the ones we almost overlooked. And in the darkest places on Earth, life and science still find a way.